Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Guys, so I'm back with another review, and this one is by Outre, one of their Wigpop synthetic full wigs. She's called Kadie, and I have her in the color FT1B/30. You guys know the Wigpop collection are a bunch of reasonably priced units, so they're not any lace fronts at all. There's no human hair Wigpop wigs. There's only synthetic full wigs, whether it's a bang or it's separated to the side or it has a flesh-like part like this one. See? It's a flesh-like part. They're a bunch of reasonably priced wigs. So this one, like I said, is called Kadie, and it's pretty much like just like a regular why was I gonna say converti cap wigs? A regular full wig, curly wig. That's what I was gonna say, a regular curly wig. So I did use my wide tooth comb and try to fluff it out a little bit. I fluffed it out a tiny bit, but not a lot. It didn't really get that fluffed out, probably because I was moving kind of scary while I was fluffing it out. I wasn't really, you know, pulling it as I should, but I did go in and I trimmed some of the hairs off, so it may not be the full length. The length is not that much longer anyway, probably like about here, but I just trimmed it a little bit just to shape it up. And I did not add any powder to the parting space because I did not want to draw any attention to the parting. So like I said up front, it is a flesh-like part. It's a flesh-like part you're seeing right here. So the cap comes with 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and it's a stretchable mesh material cap. It doesn't stretch that much, but it stretches a little bit. All right, so I would say it's about medium in cap size, and with the flesh-like part, it doesn't come all the way out to the end, and that's another reason why I didn't want to draw any attention to it, because there's a flesh-like part going up to a certain point, and then right there you have like hairs, like actual hairs, you know, crisscrossing in front of each other, and it kind of just looks like a regular full wig. And in that case, I don't know why they didn't just make it into like a regular full wig and just separate it instead of putting the flesh-like part. I mean, I get some people want to show some type of natural look, so adding a little bit of powder to the parting space right here, making it look a little bit more, you know, making it look like if it's your scalp, it may look a little bit more natural for some people. For me personally, I just prefer to leave it alone and not draw any attention to it, and I think that kind of just makes it look a little bit more natural to me. Okay, to me. All right, now the hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. You could add heat to it if you want to. On the model, it looks really pretty, and it comes in a lot of other colors as well. I will leave that in the description box down below so you can check that out. I'll leave a link so you guys can go purchase. If you want to purchase this, click on the link in the description box. It will take you directly to the unit on the website. You can choose your color and just purchase from there. But let me know what you think about this. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. The curls are really nice and bouncy. The luster is really nice, not too shiny, not too dull. But yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below, and we'll chat it up there. But thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye.